Okay. This is gonna be so much fun. Do you see this, guys? Hey guys, it's me with my special guest, this huge laundry basket full of clothes. And no, don't worry, this is not a haul. I'm actually doing the opposite. I will be selling this clothes. Hey guys, it's Melanie, and today's video is gonna be a little different. If you know me, I'm a shopping addict. Like half of my videos are hauls, but in today's video, I'm actually selling my clothes, and I wanted to show you guys some of the pieces I'm selling. This video is in collaboration with Poshmark. Hey guys, I also wanted to mention that you can go ahead and click the link in my description to download Poshmark and start your very own closet. I absolutely love the app. Like, it makes selling clothes so easy. Selling and buying clothes. I have bought stuff on there before, but I primarily use it to sell my stuff. A lot of times I outgrow things, either like I don't like the style anymore, or I just don't want the piece anymore. It doesn't spark joy for me, you know? So I'm like, I'd rather someone else have it. You can also make some money doing it. I sell a lot of pieces on there. I've had such a great experience with it just because Poshmark makes it so easy to sell the stuff and to communicate with people. So you guys can totally follow my closet at Melanie_Locke. I post all my stuff on there. You can check out all of these things. They go really quick, so I would recommend hopping on there as quickly as you can. Be sure to make your own, and maybe I'll check out your closet. Maybe I won't, because I need to stop buying clothes. So basically what I was thinking is, I have pictures of all the items, but sometimes it's hard to see how the item actually looks. Even if I don't filter it, or even if I try on the piece, you can't totally see what it looks like. So I figured having a video would be even better. Kind of like a shop my closet through YouTube. I don't know. Bunch of items. It's like 50 items or something. I tried on majority of these pieces. I didn't try on any pants, I don't think, because most of the pants I'm selling are because they don't fit me super well. All of the things are in really good condition. I'm not gonna go too in depth, but I'm just gonna describe every item really quickly, and I have a little like try on clip so that you can see what it looks like on me. Okay, so we're gonna start off with some pants. A lot of these are like jeans and stuff. Most of them just don't fit me super great. I feel like they look better on you guys. So starting off with these shorts. I love these shorts so much. I'm so sad they don't fit me. They're Levi's. I cropped them myself, thrifted them as jeans, and also a lot of these things don't have like specific sizes, so I'm gonna give you like a guess. These are the 550 jeans, which are like the popular straight cut ones, and it's a size 14, but I'm pretty sure they're in like boys. I also have a light wash pair, and these are distressed. I really love these too. Kind of have like a mom cut, and they're like rolled, and I'm pretty sure they're from Zaful or Shein, and they're a size like small or something. They're a really nice light wash. My dad decided to play like rock music right now. That's great. I don't know where you get this brand from, but I feel like I've heard of them. These are limited jeans. They're size 4 short. They are like the perfect mom jeans. I kind of like rolled them here. They don't fit me either, but they're great quality. I thrifted these. They have a nice little patch on the back, and they're like the perfect medium wash straight cut jean. I also have these mom jeans from American Eagle. They're kind of like a light wash slash acid wash. These are a size 00 short, and they're super soft. They're not like thick, so they're kind of like a thin worn in denim, but they're not like actually worn in because I didn't wear them very much. These are also American Eagle. These are the super stretchy short size 0 jegging material. These are just a nice medium slash dark wash. I love American Eagle jeans. Bought these online. They didn't fit me. Yeah, that was a bummer, but they are really nice pair of jeans. Barely wore those. These are also American Eagle, but I distressed them myself. Distressing these took so long. Please buy them. They're really soft, great quality. Wore these a couple times, and they're a boy jean, stretchy, 00 regular standard fit. I have another pair of American Eagle jeans. These ones are just light wash, high rise, I believe. They're the 360 super stretch. They're a size 0 short. These ones are also really nice, stretchy, comfy, great quality, perfect condition. And then I also have these jean shorts. They have like a rip in the butt, and I know that's the style, but can't really, you know. I wore these when I was in Hawaii, but now it's just like, they're great quality. I think I got these from Zaful. They're a very nice distressed jean. Also have these PacSun jeans. They are a size 1 bullhead head high-rise skinniest. They're just black. They're not that faded, but they're pretty worn in. And then I distressed them myself. I just cut the ends and then folded them up, and then I cut plain slits in the knees. I actually wore these for a really long time. I have this long maxi skirt. It's kind of like a, I think it's called chiffon. I don't really know the material, but it's like a faded lavender kind of and nice chiffon material. I wore it once for a photo shoot. It has a slit down the leg. It's super great. It looked really nice. I just don't wear maxi skirts. And I'm pretty sure I got it from Shein. I have these active leggings. They're from 90 Degrees by Reflex, and I got them from like Marshalls. I wore them a couple times. They're great quality, but they have pockets, super nice, like dark plum, kind of burgundy-ish color. And then I have these joggers from Forever 21. They're kind of like a nude shade. These are super, super comfy. They have pockets and they're super nice. Trying to like not wear sweatpants anymore, you know? Now, I think that was most of my bottoms, so I'm just gonna get into some tops now. I have this top. I really, really liked it, and I thrifted this. I wore it in a few videos before, but it has a couple holes in it, and I know you could like fix them up. I'm not good at that. Thrifted it not too long ago. Other than that, it's a really, really adorable top. It's just like a button up, and it's a nice mauvish color. I have this crew neck, which is a Los Angeles one. I've worn this quite a few times, really like it, but you know, I had my time with it. It's nice and soft inside. It's not too worn because it's not really pilly or anything. It's a pretty oversized fit on me, and it's a size medium, the Gildan brand. I have this tall but 2XL orangey neon orange color, and it has embroidery. I just have way too many t-shirts. I also have this Seahawks long sleeve. Go Seahawks. Says Seahawks on the sleeve. It's a size extra large. I'm also selling this crew neck. This one is pretty worn in, and it just says Washington on it. To me, it looks like something that they would sell at Brandy. We thrifted this one. I wore it quite a bit. I just have too many navy crew necks. And this is also Gildan, and it's a size medium. I also have this navy crew neck, and this one is a size large, and it is authentic Champion. Very, very nice, great quality. Looks like this. I also have a couple other Champion items. This one, which is kind of like a gym top, and it says Champion very faintly. It's pretty worn, but it's like really good quality. Size medium. I also have this Champion top. This one's also like the front part is kind of worn, I guess, but it still is in good condition. It has the embroidery thing still on it, and this is a size small. It's just red, long sleeve. I also have this purple Adidas tank. This is very nice and tight fitting. I just didn't find myself wearing it very much. Plus, I don't wear purple that much, but this is great condition. It has like a built-in sports bra, so if you're into that, it has a racer back, and it's like the athletic material. I also have this Syracuse hoodie. I actually cut a little like V thing right here, which I actually really like how that looked. I'm just not an orange person, but this is a great hoodie. It's Champion, but the Champion like embroidered little patch thingy fell off. The part that says Syracuse and University is like patches and embroidered, so it's great quality. Now I have this Nike Washington Crew t-shirt that I cropped. It's a really nice color. It's like a muted yellow. Looks just like this. This was a size large, but it's very cropped now. I have these two crew necks from Brandy / J-Galt. This first one is a little more worn, and it says Malibu. It also says Malibu on the sleeve right here. This one fits like a size small. This one is in like perfect condition. It's a little more oversized, I would say, like a little bigger. It's a really pretty periwinkle color, and it has the little like bear embroidery thing right there. Real cute. From J-Galt. Okay, I swear, we're almost done. If you can see my piles of clothes, they're like growing. I also have this Oregon t-shirt. This is like a women's cut. It is a size large. Yeah, it's in really good condition. It's a great like workout top or just wearing top, whatever you want. And then I also have this Brandy or J-Galt little tee. I have no clue what the name is, but it's super thin and very, very soft. I also have this from Brandy, and it's like an off-the-shoulder top. I've realized I look very bad in off-the-shoulder tops because I kind of have like man shoulders. One thing about this one that you can't really see on the picture on Poshmark, I thrifted this by the way. It has like a tie on the side. I don't know what happened before, but it's not noticeable when you you wear it, but then I don't know if that bothers you. There's a little tie right there. I think this top is super adorable. I just don't think I can pull off these like collared schoolboy kind of outfits. I really thought I could, and every time I see them at thrift stores, I'm so attracted to them and I always want to buy it, but then I never end up wearing it. This is what this looks like. I cropped it myself. Thin yellow and white stripes, and it's a little button up. I think it's really adorable. Someone could look really cute in this. Now on to a couple sweaters. I have this one from Forever 21. Really good condition. Only wore it a couple times. It's a size medium, and it's this pretty like pink, light beigey pink, baby pink color. And then I have this top. It's a turtleneck and it has a lettuce trim and it's ribbed. This is from Zaful, I believe, and it's kind of like a dark tannish color. And it also has the ruffles on the bottom and on the sleeve. I also have this kind of caramel tone top, and it's ribbed and like sweater material. This is one of my favorite tops. It's just I don't think this color looks good on me, but I have the same top in gray and white and I absolutely love it. It's in great condition. I only wore this color like once or twice. It's by the brand Bradley Michelle because I got it from Zaful, so it's like knockoff brandy, but honestly the quality is really here for this piece. I also have this sweater from Aeropostale, and this is a really great one. I just have a sweater that's literally identical. This is in the size extra small, and it's kind of like a, I don't know what the material is. It's like knit, but then it's like a light, very soft yarn. It's like a cream color, and yeah, it's a great sweater. Nice basic for the fall and stuff. I thrifted this sweater. It's very nice, very thick also. It's by Eddie Bauer and it's a size medium. It might be men's, but it's a dark teal color, super thick and heavy and great quality. That's what this looks like. I also have this purple bralette. This is from Free People. It's a size extra small. Haven't worn this one this much, and I only have a few more things. Oh my goodness. I have this crew neck, which is kind of like a salt and pepper colored cropped, and from Brandy Melville / Jiggle. Yeah, Brandy Melville. Barely wore this. These are all my like expensive kind of name brand pants, so they're kind of more expensive. I have a pair of these Aviva leggings that are this gray pattern. They're size 14, and if you didn't know, Aviva is like the children's brand of Lululemon, so it's targeted towards girls and stuff, and I used to be obsessed. These are yoga pants from Aviva. See, and they have this waistband right here. They're a size 12. These are by 90 Degrees by Reflex. I think I got them off Amazon. They're a size extra small. Great quality, barely worn, and they're a nice like army green color. These are another pair of Aviva leggings, and these are a size 12. They're just plain black, most simple athletic workout leggings. Great quality. And by the way, like size 12, 14 would fit like an extra small 0. That's what I would say. I also have a pair of crops from Aviva, so they're like the capri length, but these are also a size 12. Last pair of workout leggings, I have a pair of Nike Pro capris. Just look like this, and they have the little Nike symbol on the bottom. They're a size small. These are like a nice thin, what is it, dry fit material. And then my very last item, these pants from Princess Polly. They still have the tag on them. They're just too big on me, but they're a size extra small. This brand Toby Heart Ginger, and they're kind of like a corduroy looking pant, but they're not corduroy material. It's like thinner and softer than corduroy. Alright guys, so that took a really long time because I literally had 50 items to go through, but hopefully you enjoyed this video. Remember that the link is right below in my description if you want to download the Poshmark app and start your very own closet. If you want to buy any of these items, be sure to go check out my closet at Melanie_Locke. Go there real quick before these items sell out because they sell pretty quick. And yeah, if you want me to sell more items, or if you want me to like thrift specifically to resell, let me know because I would be down to do that. I hope that this video is kind of helpful just so that you could see the real color and how it looks on. If you guys want to see more videos like this and you thought it was helpful, just be sure to let me know in the comments. And yeah, be sure to check out Poshmark, download the app, and follow me on my closet. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!